Good morning. How are you, sir?
Good morning, sir. I am pretty fine by the mercy of Allah. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm extremely happy. Well, what's your batch number?
My best number is 31. I am a residential student at Rahat English Care.
Resident. You are about to complete your course. So, how was your journey?
Actually, right now, I think my journey is very fantastic. But at beginning time, I thought this journey may be difficult for me because I didn't know about Rahat English Care. I didn't know about our teacher. I didn't know how to survive this situation. After admitted, when I came here, that time I realized is very good for me.
Sir, where are you from?
I am originally from Pabna, a division of Rajshahi. Right now, I live at Mirpur in Dhaka for study purpose.
Do you like your hometown?
Yeah, of course, I like my hometown.
Okay. Do you think that your hometown is a good place to live in?
Yeah, obviously, my hometown is good for me because my hometown is a part of western part of Bangladesh.
What traditional food is popular in your hometown?
Actually, we have many popular food in my home district.
Okay.
Among them, uh, biryani is popular in my hometown, and ghee. You know ghee.
Yes.
Ghee also popular in my hometown.
Do you have any favorite subject?
Right now, my favorite subject is English
Why is English your favorite subject?
because English is a very important part of my life. English is also international language. Every world use English. English help to communicate with new people. Also, many higher education resource in English.
Mhm.
It also use in higher education, travel, etc. It also help us to find better job with a better salary. Uh, it's very important for me. That's why I think
Well,
English is very important.
is it useful for business?
Yeah, of course. It useful for business because many company prefer to employ who can speak English. That's why I think English is very important for jobs.
Sir, who teaches you this subject?
If I say about me, I faced a lot of problem my previous company because when I stood in front of foreigner people, I was felt I was afraid to speak in English. That time I thought I have to do something. I have to improve to speak in learning English.
Okay.
That's why I came here to learning English.
Who teaches you English? Who?
In this institute, many teachers teaches me English.
Many teachers.
Yes.
How has Rahas English Care helped you to improve your spoken English?
Actually, this question is important for me. If I say about this, I think every teachers help me to improve my English because here every teacher is a kind, punctual, and hardworking person. Their teaching style was very unique and easy.
Easy.
Yeah, every teachers actually when I fell down, every teachers helped me to build my confidence to speak English. Also, every teachers encouraged me to speaking English without shy, with confidence.
Well, do you think Rahas English Care is helpful for the weak students of our country?
Yeah, of course. I think Rahat English Care is better institute in Dhaka, also in Bangladesh, especially for beginner
Mm-hmm.
who didn't know how to speak English. I think this type of student, this Rahat English Care better for this type of students
Okay, sir.
because here teaching style was easy and unique.
Easy and
Every
unique.
teachers also friendly.
Let me ask you some question about technology. Well, do you like to use technology?
Yeah, I like to use technology.
Okay, what technology do you use the most?
Actually, I use most of mobile phone,
Mobile
and
phone,
I use Facebook also.
Facebook. Okay. Do you think technology has changed our lives?
Yeah, of course. So technology has changed our life because we get many knowledge from technology. Especially for me, I can learn many new words from technology. When I do know any word meaning, any sentence, that time I search on a mobile phone, on
Mhm.
internet,
Mhm.
my mobile phone and Facebook help me to search this type of word and sentence. Help me to make proper sentence and help me to word meaning.